Hello, everyone, and welcome to Hello Word, the podcast where we explore the fascinating world of English vocabulary. I'm your host, Alex, and today we're diving deep into a word that's central to success, relationships, and personal growth: commitment. What exactly does commitment mean? Well, it's a noun, and at a B2 level, we understand it to signify a promise or a strong dedication to something or someone. It represents a willingness to give your time and energy to a particular activity or cause. It's about being loyal and responsible. You'll hear it used in all sorts of contexts, from work to personal relationships to hobbies. Let's look at some synonyms. A close synonym for commitment is dedication. For example, her dedication to her studies is truly admirable. Another similar word is devotion. We could say, the devotion of the volunteers made the project a success. We can also use the word allegiance. For example, the knights swore allegiance to the king. Then we have fidelity, which often refers to loyalty in a relationship. The couple celebrated their golden anniversary, a testament to their fidelity. Finally, responsibility can also function as a synonym depending on the context. He showed great responsibility in handling the project. Now, let's explore the other side of the coin with antonyms. An antonym for commitment is apathy. Apathy towards environmental issues is a serious problem. Another is indifference. His indifference to the suffering of others was shocking. Disloyalty stands in stark contrast to commitment. His disloyalty cost him the trust of his team. Neglect is another antonym, implying a failure to fulfill a commitment. The neglect of his duties led to his dismissal. And finally, we have hesitation, which suggests a lack of commitment or reluctance. Her hesitation to accept the job offer was noticeable. So, how do we use commitment in everyday life? Well, you might say, I have a commitment to attend the meeting at 2 p.m. Or, making a commitment to exercise regularly can improve your health. You could also say, their commitment to each other is unwavering, referring to a romantic relationship. Other common expressions include a strong commitment to justice or a commitment to excellence. Here are a few more examples of commitment in sentences. The company has a strong commitment to sustainable practices. She demonstrated her commitment by working late every night. He questioned his commitment to the project after facing numerous setbacks. The politician made a commitment to reduce taxes. What is your level of commitment to finishing this task by Friday? The government's commitment to education is reflected in its budget. Building a successful business requires a long-term commitment. I admire her commitment to helping the homeless. A marriage requires a commitment from both partners. Raising children involves a significant commitment of time and energy. Commitment is essential for achieving any long-term goal. He renewed his commitment to quit smoking. She showed her commitment to animal rights by volunteering at a shelter. The athlete's commitment to training paid off with a gold medal. The organization's commitment to transparency is commendable. The success of the team depended on the commitment of each player. So, to recap, commitment means a promise or strong dedication. We looked at synonyms like dedication, devotion, allegiance, fidelity, and responsibility, and antonyms such as apathy, indifference, disloyalty, neglect, and hesitation. We also explored how commitment is used in everyday conversations and common expressions. Thank you for joining me on Hello Word today. I hope this episode has helped you better understand the meaning and usage of commitment. Now, before you go, I have a small request. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others find the show and continue learning. And as a fun exercise, I encourage you to create your own sentence using the word commitment and share it as a comment under this video. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Until next time, happy learning.